Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Rocket Launcher is probably one of the most exciting and educational toys for kids aged 8 to 12, allowing them to explore the principles of physics, aerodynamics, and engineering in a fun and engaging way, igniting their curiosity about science and space exploration while fostering creativity and problem-solving skills through hands-on building and launching experiences, making it a perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Number 5. Stomp Rocket Dueling Rockets. It's time for some friendly competition. Challenge your friends to see who can launch their rocket the highest with this awesome dueling rocket launcher. With the special dueling base, two players can launch rockets simultaneously. Get ready for hours of fun and exciting challenges. Prepare to be amazed. These rockets can reach incredible heights of up to 200 feet, that's almost 20 stories high. Launch them at the park, beach, or anywhere your adventures take you. It's not just fun and games, it's also a great way to learn. Experiment with gravity and force while enjoying friendly competition. It's a fun introduction to STEM concepts. It's 100% kid-powered. No batteries, cords, or plugs are required. Just assemble it and start stomping to launch your rockets. For 3 decades, it has been bringing joy and excitement to kids worldwide through active play and STEM learning. Get ready to join the fun. What we like. It has a dueling base, allowing 2 players to launch rockets simultaneously. This fosters friendly competition and shared fun. If you're looking for a fun, interactive toy that encourages outdoor play and friendly competition, this is the perfect choice for you and a friend. What people say. It's durable, easy to store, and the rocket seems to shoot pretty high depending on how hard you jump on the launcher. This Stomp rocket set has been a huge hit with my 5-year-old son. The double feature was great to allow for the other kids to use at the same time. Number 4. Blast Pad Rocket Launcher. It's time for some outdoor fun. With a simple stomp, watch your rocket soar over 200 feet into the sky. See how high it can fly. It's more than just a game, it's active learning. Kids will love experimenting to see how high, fast, and far they can make their rocket fly. This isn't your average foam rocket. It's built to last, launching epic flights higher and longer than others. Encourage healthy habits with outdoor play. It builds coordination, improves social skills, and boosts emotional well-being. Most importantly, it's all about having fun. If you're smiling and laughing, we've done our job. What we like. This boasts incredibly durable rockets that can withstand numerous launches. It's built to last through countless hours of outdoor fun. If you need a durable and long-lasting rocket launcher that provides hours of fun, this is the one for you. What people say. The Stomp pad is bigger and easier for younger kids to get a good launch. Even a year-old can really get it to fly. For durability, quality, and easy to put together and use, look no further. Best rockets out. If you can live with having rockets that are easier for kids, grandparents, and adults to handle, go higher, safer with a softer top, and the pop launch pad is amazingly sturdy for all terrain, then look no further. Not to mention you can do 2 at a time. The materials used for the rockets are not high quality, but it functions as advertised. Number 3. Blue Marble Mega Science Kit. Get ready for amazing science experiments. This kit has everything you need to explore the wonders of chemistry. With over 100 experiments, it's packed with fun and learning. You'll build a volcano, launch a rocket, and so much more. No need to search for extra supplies. Everything you need for 15 incredible chemistry experiments is right here. Once you've completed the initial experiments, unlock 85 plus more using common household items. The fun never ends. It's more than just fun, it's a stepping stone to STEM success. You'll learn about the scientific method and important chemistry fundamentals. From the creators of award-winning toys, this kit is designed to spark imagination and creativity. Our US support team is here to ensure a great experience. What we like. This isn't just a rocket launcher, it's a comprehensive chemistry set with over 100 experiments. It provides a hands-on approach to STEM learning. If your child is curious about science and enjoys hands-on learning, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. Brightly colored, good instructions and fun. Easy to understand directions and fun experiments. Very easy to use and understand. Decent size. Number 2. Stomp Rocket X-treme. It's time for some outdoor adventure. Get ready to run, stomp, and launch this rocket up to 400 feet in the air. It's a blast for kids and adults alike. With just a few stomps, it will soar into the sky. Find a park, beach, or playground, the possibilities are endless. It's more than just a game, it's a STEM learning experience. The adjustable launch stand lets you experiment with gravity and force, making learning fun. It's 100% kit-powered, no batteries, cords, or plugs needed. The durable base and strong rockets are built for hours of active play. For over 30 years, it has been bringing joy and STEM learning to kids worldwide. Get ready for some happy stomping. What we like. This model offers an impressive 400-foot launch height, setting a new standard for Stomp rockets. The adjustable launch stand adds to the fun and experimentation. If you want the highest flying Stomp rocket available, look no further. What people say. Rockets fly way up high in the sky. It comes with 6 rockets. First of all, you get 6 rockets, which is way more than I had before and made so much better. I think they will last longer than the ones we had before. Number 1. National Geographic Rocket Launcher. It's the motorized rocket toy that will take your outdoor adventures to new heights. This rechargeable rocket soars up to 200 feet, giving you hours of fun. With 3 different flight settings, you can customize each launch. Choose a short flight or send it soaring to its maximum height. It's designed for easy use, even for younger kids. The unique rotor blades ensure a safe and controlled landing every time. Everything you need for launch is right in the box. You get the launch pad, charging cable, and even decals to customize it. It's more than just a toy, it's a fun way to learn about science and engineering. We stand behind our products with exceptional service. What we like. This unique launcher is motorized, offering 3 different flight settings for varied play. The safe landing feature ensures worry-free fun. If you are looking for a technologically advanced and safe rocket launcher, this is the one for you. What people say. It's easy for him to launch, goes up pretty high, and the way it comes down like a helicopter is as cool as how it goes up. It really works well and is rugged enough for someone who can be careful with it. It has a green light so it can easily flown at dusk when there is less wind. You can easily see it as it goes up and as it comes down. The helicopter return comes down reasonably quickly, so if there is wind it doesn't blow too far away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.